very start. In the latest flare up of violence, dozens of militants affiliated with the banned Balochistan Liberation Army, a separatist outfit, launched numerous attacks on Sunday midnight across Balochistan, targeting security personnel as well as civilians. At least 50 people, including 40 security men, lost their life as militants went on rampage across the province, storming police station, blowing up railway tracks, and setting fire to almost 3 dozen vehicles. In response, security force neutralized 21 militants. Among those killed were 23 people in Masa Khail, mostly laborers from Punjab, who are offloaded from trucks and vans and shoot dead after an identity check. After his arrival in Quetta earlier today, PM Shehbaz chaired a high-level meeting of the National Action Plan Prevention Apex Committee. The meeting was attended by Chief of Army Staff General Asim Munir, Deputy PM Ishaq Dar, Balochistan Chief Minister Sarfaraz Bukhti, Planning Minister Ehsan Iqbal, as well as other top government and security officials. Terrorist organization and the Khawarij, who are Pakistan enemies and infiltrators from within, concocted this impure scheme, as a result of which Pakistan were martyred. The Premier told the committee, "There has been a wave of great concern among the people across Pakistan due to the recent heart-rending incident that occurred in Balochistan," PM Shehbaz Sharif said. Everyone is aggrieved on the incident, the Prime Minister noted. However, I think that at the moment we have to decide that we must fully eradicate terrorism from Balochistan through our collective vision, power, and unwavering determination, the Premier asserted, highlighting that the province was extremely important and beautiful. PM Shehbaz stressed the need to remove all obstacles from its path to progress, recalling that those who lost their lives included law enforcement agencies, officials and sepoy of the levies and frontier constabulary, as well as civilians, Shehbaz asserted that their sacrifice would not go to waste. The Prime Minister expressed the resolve to eradicate terrorism under the leadership of General Munir and CN Bukhti, reaffirming the federal government's full support to that extent. He vowed to root out terrorism that has surged again since 2018 from not just Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, but from the entire country. According to state-run Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi, Information Minister Ataullah Tara, and Commerce Minister Jaim Kamal Khan, as well as other officials, were also occupying PM Shehbaz. Upon arrival at Quetta Airport, the Premier was received by CM Bukhti, Balochistan Chief Secretary Shakil Qadir, and newly appointed Provincial Police Chief Moazzam Jah Ansari. Balochistan Assembly Speaker Abdul Khalik Acharzai, Provincial Minister for Communication, Works Abdul Rahman Ketran, and other senior government officials were also presented to welcome. Full stop. इसमें जितने भी नेम्स होते हैं ना, इनको अल्फ़ाबेट ऑर्डर्स में अल्फ़ाबेट किसी भी आप जैसे कि यहाँ आया हुआ है सीनियर अब्दुल खालिक अचारज़ई, तो आपने इनको अब्दुल के लिए ए, खालिक के लिए के और अचारज़ई के लिए ए यूज़ करना है। और आपको पता होना चाहिए बलूचिस्तान असम्बली का स्पीकर कौन है, तो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा।